You are one of my platinum VIP customers.
I think now we are a family.
It does remind me of sitting in a Rolls Royce. No side step to go into the car. So that's -1 to the Rolls Royce Cullinan. Right behind them shutters is your customized Range Rover.
Wow, Paaji, wow.
On this vlog, we are transforming and customizing this brand new Range Rover. This is a long wheelbase edition. Now, if you've seen on our previous vlogs, we have customized many Range Rovers, from the older ones to the brand new ones. We have the Nebula Barugzai body kit, we have the Barugzai Aero soft body kit as well. And for the first time, revealing exclusively on this vlog, we are going to be fitting our new soft wide body kit. Another transformation, another design on this Range Rover. Now, this is from a repeat customer. We've customized many cars for them, a very, very loyal customer of ours. Previously, we've customized a Range Rover Sport SVR Cabaro, probably one of the loudest in the UK. We've also customized a Range Rover Sport for them. Now we've got this Range Rover L460 in, which is quite similar to this car that we're working on over here, the Rolls Royce Cullinan. You've seen that we do the facelift conversions on these cars that are available now, so converting the Series 1 to 2. But I've always been confused and I've always wanted to know which is the more value for money. I know that's a Rolls Royce and you're paying a premium for that, and it's a very high luxury SUV. And this, on the other hand, is a lot cheaper. But again, it is a very high luxury SUV. This is a very high spec Range Rover, and it reminds me of the Rolls Royce Cullinan. And I've always thought to myself, well, for the fraction of the price, when I'm sat in the car, I actually do feel like I'm sat in a Rolls Royce Cullinan. So while the technicians start on this Range Rover to customize it, you need to wait to the end to see the phenomenal result on this customization. Don't miss out, guys. And let me do a comparison while the car's getting customized from the Range Rover to the Rolls Royce Cullinan. Let's go inside. A beautiful tan leather interior, piano black steering wheel. It does remind me of sitting in a Rolls Royce. Now, this is obviously a 4-seater. Actually, it's a 5-seater, but it's with the center arm down, it becomes a 4-seater. It's got a big center console with all the electronic controls on there, but it does give me that feel of a Rolls Royce Cullinan. But anyway, let me get onto the back seats. This has got a nice electronic step that you can just step in to the car, and a lot of leg room. This is a long wheel version, and I have to say it is very, very comfortable. Feels like a very high-end business class, first class airline. It's got all the gadgets here as well, all the controls of the seats, heated seats. You've got all the tinted windows. So you've got the privacy curtain here as well. You can lift that up and down. You can put all your water bottles here. You've got a compartment here as well. But it does feel like a Rolls Royce Cullinan. You've got the panoramic roof and very high-end leather interior, smelling nice, fresh Napa leather. You've got all the sound system in here as well. Plenty of leg room. Can you lift this up over here? I don't think you can, no, but you can move the seat back and forward. Maybe I can go further back, lift it forward, take it forward. Yeah, so just have a nice, have a chauffeur driving me around. But this car is probably worth about 150 grand. Probably a little bit more, depends on the spec. And anyway, let's go sit in the Rolls Royce Cullinan and do a comparison. No side step to go into the car, so that's -1 to the Rolls Royce Cullinan. But right, seats are definitely a lot more comfortable, I have to say. First instant when I sit in this seat, I do feel a lot more comfort in this Rolls Royce front seat. It's a lot more cushioned, softer, a lot more compact as well. It just kind of molds me into the seat. And again, very high-end leather interior. And I mean, it looks very classical. It looks like a, should I say, a nice classical boat. Knobbly buttons over here, a lot of chrome, It looks very classical. Obviously, Rolls-Royce, very elegant. That's the style and their design language. The Range Rover, a lot more modern, electronic, touchscreen, etc. So best of both worlds. It depends of your character and possibly your age as well. I mean, probably this is targeted for more the elder generation. That's probably for the newer generation. But again, it's something that I might take me a bit of time to get used to, coming out of the Range Rover and driving more modern cars. But yeah, I mean, it's got the luxury side to it. It's got that exclusive kind of high-end look to it. But it depends. What would you prefer? Would you prefer something like this, more classical, or would you prefer something more modern like the Range Rover? Anyway, let's go sit in the back. Comfort-wise, this is a lot more softer, nice soft leather interior. I can close the door, boom, which is an advantage, of course. That's preferred. You've got your TV screens in here as well, tray table. So let me take that out as well, which is again very high-end, very luxury. You know, if you're being chauffeured around, this is the best of the best, should I say. But when it comes to maybe reclining this seat, no, there's nowhere I can recline this seat. There's no, but I don't think there is. Let me put this down. Maybe there's something here. What's this? It's a bit of both. It depends what you like. I mean, if you want to go on a long journey and go to sleep and relax, then I guess the Range Rover is better for that. But if you're going on a short journey around town, the city, being chauffeured around, just want to have a cup of tea or a drink, watch a bit of, I don't know, watch a movie or something online, do your work on your laptop. Yeah, you got your Star Galaxy roof lights in here as well. And I guess it's a Rolls-Royce, so you know, it's kind of like a statement to say that you've arrived compared to a Range Rover. But the Range Rover still, for what you're paying, that's £150,000 roughly, and this car is approximately £300,000, or start from about maybe a used one, probably about 250. Brand new one would probably be around 350 upwards, and the Range Rover would probably be 150 upwards. So for an extra £200,000, what would you prefer? Well, this is getting a facelift conversion. We've done many of these now. So if you do have a Rolls-Royce Cullinan and you want to get it facelifted, we do have the Series 2 facelift conversion for the Series 1 Cullinan. But anyway, back to this. If you've got a private number plate, buzz voo, should I say. This Range Rover will be getting all stripped down. And so what will be fitting? So we've got the Barugzai SV R-style bonnet. We've got a lower front lip that we'll be adding on. All the silver trims on the car will be painted gloss black. Got some little fins, our signature fins, to give it that more aggression at the front. We'll be fitting them on. Coming around the side of the car, we'll be fitting the 24-inch alloy wheels. We're having the Barugzai door vents, lower door moldings that are just gonna have some extensions on there. Coming around the back of the car, all the trims will be painted in gloss black. We'll be having our top roof spoiler, mid-level roof spoiler, and rear bumper add-on. And we'll be having a quad exhaust system that's going to be sounding monstrous. So stay tuned, wait to the end, guys. Make sure you subscribe and press the notification button, because we have some crazy modifications on our channel. But anyway, let's waste no time and let's get this car stripped down.
Right now, the custom add-on parts for this Range Rover are sitting inside the spray booth, fully prepped, perfectly aligned, and ready for the next transformation. This isn't just another paint job, it's the moment where vision starts becoming reality. Stay tuned, because once these gloss black parts are installed, this L460 is going to look absolutely incredible. Now the real transformation begins. Our master technicians are not wasting a single second. The freshly painted trims and body kit components are finally making their way onto this Range Rover L460. This is a special moment for us because this is the very first body kit ever being installed on this vehicle. Every panel, every trim piece, and every detail is being fitted with absolute precision to ensure a factory-level finish with an aggressive new personality.
Kidda Paaji?
Oh, Paaji, kidda ki hal chal?
Paaji? Good to see you again and again and again and again. So many times.
So many times, Paaji.
You are one of my platinum VIP customers.
I think now we are a family.
We are more than family, mashallah. Exactly. You know what? Sometimes when you work with people, clients, they do become friends and then they get even closer and they become like family.
That's the thing, Paaji.
Kidda, theek thaak? How you doing? This guy's looking cool.
Always.
I like the kara, brother. Oh, that's nice, mashallah. Is that real gold?
No, it's my
Real sona. Real sona le no, come on. Mashallah, that's true. It's about the heart and mashallah, Paaji, you got a very good heart.
That's the thing, Paaji.
How are you anyway?
Everything good, Paaji. You?
Business good?
Everything good. That's why more car.
More cars, mashallah. May Allah bless you. May God bless you with many, many more. But this is a Range Rover we customized for you.
Yeah.
A brand new Range Rover 2026. And it's the first time we fitted our Aero 2 Barugzai body kit on your car. You always like to be exclusive, just like we did your Range Rover Sport SVR.
SVR.
Then we did your Range Rover Velar.
Yeah.
Then we did your brand new Range Rover Sport.
That's right.
Which is probably going to come back in for a Raptor kit.
Yeah.
Now we've done a brand new Range Rover Vogue as well. But guys, it doesn't stop there. Should we tell them? I think we should keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Stay tuned because there's something mega. When I say mega, I'm talking top tier level. Another car coming. I know you want to say something, but keep it sealed, okay?
Yeah, that's right.
We're going to do... We've not done one of these. Well, we have done a few, but not to this extent. It's a top tier car, and hopefully in a few weeks' time, you will be seeing a vlog on that as well. But anyway, let's talk about this car.
Yeah.
So this is a brand new Range Rover. How come you bought this car then?
Because you know I'm very loyal to Range Rover.
You're very loyal to Range Rover.
It's because that was the best cars.
It is
That's
a good
best
car.
SUVs also.
Definitely, but it's not. The next car we're customizing is not a Range Rover, so he breaks the promise there. But for now, you're loyal to Range
sometimes.
Rover. But you know, this Range Rover that you got is almost as good as a Rolls Royce Cullinan. I compared your Range Rover to a Rolls Royce Cullinan, and you know what? To be fair with you, there wasn't much difference when it came to comfort. Yours is very comfortable. So is the Rolls Royce. But what you're paying for a Rolls Royce Cullinan and what you're paying for a Range Rover is world apart, but you're still getting value for money for the Range Rover. But now,
That's right.
it's not only comfortable, it's also looking very unique.
I just want to see it.
Well, let's waste no time. I've done enough talking. Let's go do the reveal. What's your favourite car?
Obviously, Paaji, you know, because he was my boss, the big Paaji, so he always priority to be Range Rover, you know. And the SUV size, you know, Range Rover doesn't compare for any other car, you know. Obviously, Paaji is first of all.
Range is range.
All your work colleagues are obsessed with Range Rovers as well.
Yeah.
But when you see the next car we do for him, you might change your mind. But anyway, right behind them shutters is your customized Range Rover.
Paaji, you changed this. Totally changed, Paaji. Totally changed. Wow, Paaji, wow.
Simon, what do you think?
Next level, Paaji.
You like that?
Seriously, Paaji.
Paaji, seriously,
No
yaar.
for everyone, Paaji, seriously.
Marks heart attack.
Hamid,
$100, Paaji, out of 10.
Come here, man. Come here.
Seriously, Paaji.
you know, that's why I trust you. Seriously, bro.
Paaji.
That's why I just give the key to you
Thank
and
you, brothers.
do your magic.
Thank you very much,
But you know, this was really.
You like
it
that?
was really.
Paji, कुछ पंजाबी कुछ गल करो. What do you think? गड्डी रखते तो कुछ बोलो जी.
सोच लो पूरे.
अरे भरा ਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਦਿਓ.
ਇੱਕੋ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੀ ਕਹੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਭਾਜੀ, ਇਦੋਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਭਾਜੀ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਐਂਡ ਹੈ ਭਾਜੀ. ਐਂਡ ਕੰਗ੍ਰੈਚੁਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਭਾਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਭਾਜੀ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ. ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ
ਭਾਈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ
ਇੰਨੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਬਣਾਈ ਭਾਜੀ.
ਯੂ نو ਸੱਚੀ ਅਸੀਂ
ਸੱਚੀ ਦੱਸੀਏ.
ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਵੇਚਦੇ ਆ ਪਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਪੈਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਭਾਜੀ, ਉਹ ਪੈਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਪੈਸ਼ਨ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਨਾ when we see in our cars ਭਾਜੀ we can say you love the customized the car. The main thing is this, sometime I said ਭਾਜੀ do this, he said no on your car I do this, that looks better. And the second thing is this, sometimes he spend his own money.
Yeah.
Not us.
I have.
Spend
On this
his
one
own.
I have. You come a long way. I appreciate you coming all the way. But anyway, let's go now quickly tell you what we've done to the car. So starting off from the front of the car, we've got a new Barugzai Aero front lower lip in carbon fiber. Now we've added these fins on there as well to make it look a little bit more aggressive.
Yeah.
And you know, like that lion, Paaji, you know that
Paaji, you know.
Sikh lion, you know, our
Yeah.
Sikh brothers love the lions, right? So I'll give it that aggressive look. I've changed the front grille as well, which it wasn't part of it, but I changed it to make it look a little bit more
That's his
different.
pocket.
Range Rover letters. We've got the SVR style Barugzai bonnet. Like I said to you, this
Yeah.
is one of one.
That's a
Very
special.
unique, very special. You won't see these on many cars. Probably about 5 cars that we've done so far.
Yeah.
But that's a very unique part of the car as well. So we've got the wider arches. They're not really wide,
No, but
thin, but
it's-
they're big as in size of the arches. So it obviously suits the car. Wide arches going all the way around. We've got the Barugzai door panels as well
That's very nice.
with the badges. Underneath here as well, if you see very carefully, we've got the sills or the additional lower side skirts on there to make it look a little bit more lower. Wider arches at the back, the nice signature design. Now the back of the car, we've got the lower diffuser with the quad exhaust as well, and we've got the mid-level spoiler, which we're in 2 minds. Yes,
Yeah.
and then we've also got the top tailgate spoiler as well, and all blacked out with the 24-inch Vortex gloss black alloy wheels. Now the spacers, as you can see, they are sitting a little bit out. Are you happy with that?
It's really nice.
Are you sure?
Definitely.
Personally, I think they're a little bit out, but if you're happy with that, fine. If not, we can probably knock back another 10 mil. But you've got that aggressive stance as well, and we've color coded everything gloss black. Everything that was silver on the car, we've done it all gloss black. I'll give it a nice polish and a detail as well. And there you have it, sir.
Paji, you make it different. Seriously, Paji.
No doubts, man. Seriously.
Thank you, Paaji. We appreciate it. And also the sound of the exhaust. Listen to this.
It is.
We could do it even louder if you want. But anyway, all done, customized, ready to hit the roads of Birmingham. So if you see this car in Birmingham, it will be the only one in Birmingham. We've got a lot of Barugzai cars in Birmingham and a massive fan base. So shout out to everybody from the Midlands, especially Birmingham, that are driving around in Barugzai cars. And obviously all our fans that support us, we really appreciate all the support and the love. Genuinely, we see you and we hear you as well. And obviously now we've got another edition of a Range Rover Barugzai, first one in Birmingham, and there's another one coming very soon, a very special one. I'm so excited to share that with you guys. But thank you for the love, guys. I appreciate the love.
Thank you very much, Paji. Thank
Listen,
you
we're
very much.
all one nation. And you know, we all appreciate you guys coming over here, and you know what I mean, you guys work
Well, you know,
hard. Do you know what I mean? And
we
you
just
deserve,
trust you.
you
we
deserve,
trust you,
you
and
deserve.
you always make it.
No, thank you. You
always
deserve.
make
You
it.
work hard and you look after your
Yeah.
boys as well, all your stuff. And obviously, God bless you with all these nice toys. But anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned because we've got a mega conversion on a beautiful car that we'll be working on for the first time, and there'll be a massive conversion on this car for Ajit and his boys, and it's going to be a brilliant one. So stay tuned for that. But make sure you subscribe, comment, and like on all our videos. Stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next vlog.